Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi guys, today is Christmas Day 2023. I'm driving from Portmore to Kingston, so enjoy the ride with me today. We are now on Municipal Boulevard, and we're driving towards Mandela Highway. It's a beautiful Christmas day today. Guys, I have to fix some containers in the car, so let's start again. I want to tire shop on your left, so anytime you feel like coming this way and you need some tire help. This is Grange Lane. You can turn left and take a shortcut to go to Spanish Town. You can take the right and go straight back to Toll Road or the Portmore City Center, where you have the big roundabout. But now we are going to Mandela Highway. we're at the roundabout now. We're going straight ahead at the roundabout. The left will take you to the toll if you want to go to Spanish Town, Ocharia, Mandela. The right is another road. What's the name of that road again? It's a bit lonely though. And over there, so on the right is where you have Aki Walk. You can get Aki's, of course, breadfruit and regular market stuff and jelly coconut. And if you can turn left here and go to the Wisinko, they make water, WATA, another water brand stuff. We're gonna cross this little bridge now. This bridge goes over the Rio Cobre River. So the Rio Cobre River it supplies the wells in Portmore, because not every community in Portmore takes water from the NWC, the National Water Commission, especially the gated communities. We hear that they're going to do some work over here and make this into a four-way. So we will see. So we are approaching the stoplight now to go on to Mandela Highway. Going to Spanish Town, you can turn left, and or you're going to say halfway tree side, 6 miles, turn right. I'm going to the Liguanea side. So we're going under this bridge, continue on Mandela. So we're on Mandela now, Mandela Highway. It's still nice, little clouds, but most of the sky is empty. So this area on the left is where you call a ferry. You have like the ferry police station on your left. You have to take the furthest lane on your left to go that side. But with the rush today, you know, I'm keeping myself quiet on the road. Go on if you want to go, but please how my thing go on. You have the ferry police station, and then you also have IGL Limited, industrial gases, and the medical gases section is on that side, and the plants for the oxygen and nitrogen and carbon dioxide plants are over there, so too. And they do the refurbishing of cylinders over there. And I see there's a plantation heights too. I'm not sure where that is. Some you can see on the hills there, some houses on the hills. And you have another hardware store, Tile City on your left, and schools and so on your left. That comes across the road. If you want to turn back on the highway, you have to take the furthest road on the left and go around and come back down. Otherwise, you will not be able to turn around again until you go way up further. And you have somewhat like tropical battery we are approaching now 6 miles. You can take the right turn if you want to go to Spanish Town Road. That Spanish Town Road goes right down to 3 miles, and when you reach 3 miles you can turn left on Hartley Park Road, or you can turn right to go onto Marcus Garvey Drive, or take the road right back to Portmore Toll. That is if you want to go back that side, you keep in the right lane and take that right here. So, and you can also take it to go downtown, Marcus Garvey Drive, all those places. So it's over there, that right turn there. So we're leaving Mandela now and going on to Washington Boulevard. Also get breakfast at this tasty, get porridge and all of that. So this is Patrick City on your left. We're still on Washington Boulevard. Open Bible Church on your left. I already did a video from Portmore to, I think it was halfway tree, I don't remember, but it was in the morning and the lighting wasn't so good. So this is gonna be a better video, plus it's not as much traffic because today is Christmas Day 2023. So have a nicer drive. center on the Boulevard, and there's a Shoppers Fair supermarket over there. Boulevard Baptist on your left. Guys, when you're on these roads, look out for the drain covers in here. Go straight over that bridge. That bridge goes over Reid Road. If you want to go onto Reid Road, you will take this left turn right here at the stoplight. It's called Aldine Drive. Take the right to go into Zayde Gardens. That's a nice residential area. And we're going now on to Dunrobin Avenue. You can take any one of these left turns off Dunrobin Avenue and it takes you to Kingston Spring Road. I've done a couple but in the opposite direction. Like with the Waterloo Road video, I did that. On this road, auto parts place and all of that. AR2 DK, they sell like furniture. I'm not sure what else they sell now. They might sell electronics, not sure. Appliances. Dunrobin Court on your left. Yep, so we are now going on to Kingston Spring Road. At this intersection, you have a gas station on your left. You go straight across, you have Tools, is it Tools Hardware, I think? Big Hardware, Phil's Hardware. You go straight across. Very popular hardware store. You have to be careful when you're turning right because some people in the left lane, they turn right and you're not supposed to. They're supposed to turn left only. They have National Supply on the left. They sell like electrical parts and stuff. We're taking one of these left turns, but I think I'm gonna go straight into Halfway Tree. Today, not even the fast food store place is open. I don't think so. Even only gas station open. We're into the plazas now, passing 7th Avenue Plaza on your left, Lane Plaza on your left, the Village Plaza on your left. On your right you have Courts, you have Twin Gates Plaza on your right. On your left you have Mall Plaza. On the right is Passport Office. On your left you have Tropical Plaza. And on the right I think that's Springs Plaza. And then after Springs Plaza you have Central Plaza, where you have like Central Plaza have Pablo's and those places that sell material. On the left you have Premier Plaza and Little Premier Plaza. This is where all the plazas and shopping centers are. You have Discom Sports Warehouse up here if you want exercise equipment or exercise clothing or anything. You have the Pavilion Mall on the right. halfway tree. I'm gonna take the left turn. People still out selling. Guys, we're on Hope Road. We just passed halfway tree. We are going towards Liguanea. It's just one straight road. So we have Popeyes on your left and we have Devon House on your left. We have a video where we did a tour. We have a video where we did a tour of Devon House. And we also know on your right, you'll be turning right if you want to go into New Kingston. We have done videos on that already. So we're going straight up to Liguanea. Guys, we're passing Devon House on your left, and on the right we're approaching Andrews Hospital, and you can take this left road to its Kingsway that takes you back to West Kings House Road. Fridays is on your right, guys, and that intersection you can take that right to take you into New Kingston, or you can take the left going to Barbican. I already did a video going to go to Barbican. You have Medallion Hall Hotel on your right. Portmore Municipal on the left, right there. Portmore Municipal right here on the left, right here. Take any one of these right turns to go back into New Kingston. They take you into quite a number of gated communities are on that side. You have Noah's Ark on your left, or chicken farm, day spa, it's on your left. That's been around for ages. Not at this location only. On the left is Richings Avenue. On the right is Apartments Chilitas Mexican restaurant is on your left right here. Bridget Sandals is on your left. They have a big place for themselves now. Little India restaurant. Kuya on your left. Seventh-day Adventist Church Sunday Park on your left. We have 100. They used to have a restaurant over there, not sure if they still have it there. JMB ATM on your left. We are now approaching Liguanea. I've done a video on Liguanea already, so I won't be doing that. I'll just drive through. I will show you how to get onto Mona Road though from here, from Liguanea. And we'll stop at the University of the West Indies. You have Sovereign Center on your left, you have Manar, you have Amar's over there, and lots of food court downstairs. And I think you have a hardware store downstairs. So turn left to go to Barbican, turn right to go to Hope Road, to go to Old Hope Road. We're on Hope Road. All these yellow lines in the road means you do not block the intersection. Christmas store or video, which I also gave you a little drive through of Liguanea. You have First Caribbean Bank on your left here. And in this plaza, I can't remember the name of it, you know. You have Pushpa Indian restaurant, Northside Plaza. They have a nice Chinese restaurant over here too. Super Valley Home Center on your left. I'm in the wrong lane, I need to be in supermarket on your left. So usually I've done some videos where I turn right after I come on this road, but I'm going to take the left turn and we're going to go on to Mona Road. We have Waterfalls restaurant on your left, and then the oldest music, I think it's on Thursday night, but those who love oldies, it's very decent. Going up to Mona now. We're going on to Mona Road. So we're in university territory now, outskirts of the university. So you find you have a lot of people convert their homes into additional rooms for students. Right turn to go on to Wellington Drive to go back to Old Hope Road. You can take this right to go up to Long Mountain. Take the left to go into Mona Heights. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. This is Mona Heights on your left. Remember to just touch that little red arrow at the bottom of the screen. You will be automatically be subscribed. It doesn't cost anything, and you can touch the little bell too. Just touch the little bell for me, please. I beg you, so you can know when my videos come out. So you can take this left road on your left, going under the aqueduct now. Mona Dam is on your right. So this left takes you right back to Oak Road, Old Oak Road. All of this is university land on your left, you know.